What's up guys, Chris here from Security Bros, back with another video, and today we are taking a closer look at this 4-channel security camera system from Zosi. Is it any good? Let's find out. So the system I will test today with model number C308AH comes with 2 cameras and 1 base station, but you can connect up to 4 cameras to 1 base station. And the reason for using a base station is to increase the range and the stability of the connection. Often the base station also works like an NVR using a SD card for storage, but this one doesn't have it, even though there is a hole for it where it says SD card, but there is nothing on the inside. The camera support SD card though. How it works is you connect the base station to a router and then the cameras will communicate with the base station. The cameras will only work with the base station, so you can't use them without it. I think image quality at daytime was decent and should be good enough for most situations. Night vision on the other hand was not very impressive. Yes, it looks nice when there is no movement, but as soon as something is moving you can't really see any details. And these cameras also use white LEDs, which means they can record in full color at night. But same as with infrared, not very good to be honest when something is moving. Build quality of the camera seems to be good. The house and the bracket is all made of metal, so I'm sure they will last for a long time being placed outdoors. At the moment you can buy this security camera system on Amazon and it costs $130. And for full transparency to you guys, Zosi did send me this kit over for review. However, any opinions in this video is strictly my own based on my experiences testing this surveillance system out. And if you're interested in buying it, you will find my affiliate links in the video description below with the most updated prices. So the camera uses a 5 megapixel sensor that records in 2880 by 1620 at 15 frames per second, and it comes with a 3.6mm lens. They support human detection, so based on the shape of the moving object, it can tell if it's a human or not, and I think it worked okay. And if you don't use it you will have a lot of false alarms. This surveillance system works together with an app called Zosi Smart, which you can set to send you instant push notifications when the camera detects motion, which you then can view directly in the app from playback saved on the SD card or optional the cloud. You can have the camera to record 24/7 or only when motion is detected, and they support up to 128GB micro SD card. You can also access the camera using OnVIF or RTSP, and I tested to connect the camera using iSpy and that worked just fine. There is no web interface though, so you can't access the cameras using a web browser. Some other features are two-way audio, and it also have an alarm that sounds like this. And the cameras have 2 spotlights that can be motion activated, which means the cameras can record in full color when the lights are on. They also comes with an IP66 rating, which means they are weatherproof, and as I said before, the build quality seems to be really good. It's all made of metal. Okay, so what we get in the box is the 2 cameras, 1 base station, network cable, 3 power adapters, quick start guide, and all the stuff you need to mount the cameras. Here on the front of the camera we got the lens, 4 infrared lights, 2 white LEDs, light sensor, microphone and the indicator light. And if we open up this cover we got the SD card slot and the reset button. On the base station we got the power port, network port, and here is the SD card slot that is empty on the inside. It also looks like the base station has a speaker, but I could not get it to work, so not sure about that. So to get the system up and running is fairly easy. First connect the base station to a router and download the Zosi Smart app. Open up the app and tap on Add Device. Here select camera C308AH. Then add an unconnected device and follow the on-screen instructions. When the base station is added, you do the same with the cameras. Just scan the QR codes and that's it. So here on the main page you can choose what camera you want to access. After you select a camera, we can watch live view, turn on and off audio, change the image quality, and view full screen. Down here we can talk through the camera, take a snapshot, record video, and turn on the alarm. And here we got playbacks, and you can switch between cloud and SD card. In the top right corner we got the camera settings. In smart detection we can turn on and off push notifications and the alarm. Set a detection area, the sensitivity, and if we want human detection or normal motion detection. In night vision mode we can choose between color night vision, infrared and smart night vision. In recording mode we can set the camera to record 24/7 or only when motion is detected. Okay, I think that's most of the settings. Let's have a look at some recordings. This is daytime, recorded with the highest image quality with audio turned on. And here I am at around 10 meters from the camera. And here's another daytime clip when a car drives by. This is at nighttime with normal infrared, and as you can see when I walk in front of the camera, it's almost like I disappear at times. Here I test the full color night vision. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested in more videos like this in the future, why not hit that subscribe button and give the video a like, and I see you in the next video.